What the hell are we doing with another electric bike review? Well, Princess needed one. This is HIBOY. This is the HIBOY EX6. Now this is on the lower end of the price scale. So I'm really interested to see, what do you get for the money? Let's have a look. All right. That's a white one. No, it's foam. Oh, you are right, it's white.
I know.
It's white under there. All right, let's get some of this stuff out. So in case you're wondering, I explained it on the last video, we need a bike. Electric bike is good for scouting out boondocking sites. When we get to BLM land or dispersed camping, there's a lot of sites and a lot of roads heading off into the bush. We can't just drive the fifth wheel down there and then have to back out because it wasn't suitable. There was nowhere to turn around. And some of these are on hills, you know, so we've got ourselves into trouble before. So this electric bike would be ideal to go zooming around all the campsites and find the right one before we commit to taking Momo and Nali up there. Let's unwrap this puppy. Disc brakes, fenders, mud guards specifically. All right, well that's good, because often when we boondock, you know, it's muddy. Our other bike doesn't have any mud guards, so we're going to get a big skunk stripe up our back. Come and see what's in the box. What do we got here? Instructions, pedals, charge cable. Oh, it's a microphone. No, it's not. I don't know what that is. There's a nice little light. There's that front axle thing again. All right, before all else fails, we'll read the instructions. All right, first impressions. That's a nice seat. The frame looks good. The welding, a little messy actually. Not neat at all. I'm sure it's strong enough, it just looks a bit ugly. Quality wise, this looks pretty good. It's Shimano gear shifters. I think it's time we just put it together and then we'll have a look at the features and then we'll take it for a burn. Well, already stripped out this Allen key that they gave me. So I got my own Allen key, but that's fine. I mean, can't expect to give quality tools away. I do like the idea of mud guards. That's going to save a lot of shirts and a lot of laundry. There is a left and a right pedal because the threads are different, screws a different way. So I think it might say it somewhere. Ah.
Left, L.
Thank you for finding that one.
Okay. You know where's the left is?
Oh. Hey, Joy, should I remove the sticker?
No.
Oh, of course not. Well, this thing looks like a good utility actually, especially for the price. $850 is the asking retail price. Quality, it's reasonable. I've shown you the frame already. It's got a max load of 300 pound. Luckily, I'm not there yet. It's got disc brakes front and back. Shimano gear set 7-speed. It's got a tail light and it's got a headlight. So the battery's 14.5 amp hours and electric alone will get you going for 41 miles. If you're gonna bother pedaling, then you can do 70 odd miles with this bike. It's got a simple LCD screen, and being a fat tire bike, it's good for the rough terrain. The motor itself is 500 watts or 960 watts peak. And as far as how heavy, 66 pounds, 30 kilos, it's not too bad. There's only one thing left to do, isn't there? Go for a ride. So this has got a throttle here in the handle. That's nice, a bit like a motorbike. Brakes work okay. We're at a 10-mile-an-hour limit in this park, so we'll go out onto the road. This is a much smaller frame than our other bike. I can feel I need to raise the seat. Not bad, eh? I mean, it's a very simple bike. That's a good thing. And, you know, for our purposes, trying to find boondocking sites, I think this is ideal, actually. Got the big fat tires for the uneven and the rough terrain. We've got the mud flaps, so we don't get a dirty ass. And this basket holder here, but you could put your dog up here. You know, get a basket and strap him down, and your dog will ride safely. Well, you know what, for our purposes, what I need to use this bike for, with our boondocking and our site exploration, this is a sturdy little piece of transport. You've got the big fat tires for the off-road, you've got the mud guards so you don't get a skunk stripe up your back, and step through, easy, simple electronics. And for the price point, this is in the lower end of e-bikes costings. That's $850. That's a solid unit. Check our description in the link below. It'll take you right to it. Kind of like it. All right, wife, you gonna go for a ride? Come on.